Nowadays, we can see many cases that involve endangered species. Some endangered species can be found in highway, and also there were some cases where these endangered species destroy the village.
Lebih 2,000 penduduk di 4 kampung di daerah Kota Tinggi Johor hidup dalam kebimbangan selepas diancam gajah liar sejak 5 tahun lalu.
Kebimbangan mereka kian memuncak apabila segerombolan 35 ekor gajah mula berani menceroboh dan menghampiri laman rumah pada waktu malam dan memusnahkan pelbagai tanaman menyebabkan penduduk kerugian ribuan ringgit. Ancaman haiwan bertelinga besar itu disuarakan kepada koresponden Johor Zahir Senapiah dalam laporan aduan rakyat minggu ini.
Dulu hanya beberapa ekor, kini mencecah hingga 35 ekor. Ancaman sekumpulan gajah liar yang menceroboh beberapa kampung sekitar Kota Tinggi Johor semakin.
As a student who taking course issue in biology and environment, we conduct a co-op project which focus on our problem statement on public awareness of endangered species in Malaysia.
Spesies lembu liar yang terbesar dijadikan maskot bola sepak negara. Kerbau. Harimau belang. Harimau Malaya. Okey, teladan.
Since the quiz Instagram story filter are used for public awareness of endangered species in Malaysia, this gives a positive impact to people. Users are also advised to apply this suggestion in order to save the endangered species in Malaysia. The first is protect wildlife habitat. Habitat loss is one of the biggest causes of the extinction. Do your bit to preserve wildlife habitat. Volunteer to maintain a local nature reserve. Campaign against deforestation or create space for nature in your garden. Educate others. People are more likely to want to save animals if they know about them. Spend time doing some research and spread the word. Stay away from pesticide and herbicide. Animals are vulnerable to pollutants that can build up in the environment and can die if they consume high level. Shop ethically. Avoid buying products made from endangered animals such as rhino. With Instagram, our filter will be published directly to our profile and can stay there as long as we want to. It is also accessible via dedicated filter tab that sits directly under our highlight. When we post a story featuring our filter, we add the try it button so that viewer can easily access the experiment. We also have the option to turn our filter into an ad so that when people scroll their story on Instagram, our filter can be easily introduced to people. What are the impact of the Instagram story filter to the economy of Malaysia? Since this Instagram story filter purpose is to spread awareness to the public about endangered species, it also can decrease the probability of the endangered species to become extinct. Therefore, our country will spend less money and energy on the Department of Wildlife and Natural Park Peninsula Malaysia, which is perhilitan to conserve the endangered species. The impact of this Instagram story filter to the environment of Malaysia is this IG filter is a virtual or online thing, so we did not pollute the environment to produce the product. Just need a smartphone and the application. We all know that ecosystem and biodiversity play an important role for all living things. They relate to each other and bring balance to the world. Let's take elephant as an example. Without elephant, there will be less dispersal of seed. Therefore, less trees can be grown. The habitat become degraded and species diversity plummet. Furthermore, their loss in the environment can reduce sequestration, aiding climate change and leading to problem for us. With this Instagram story filter, we can educate young people to appreciate the endangered species. Many sectors will be aware about this issue and can cooperate to conserve our endangered species and environment. The impact of this Instagram story filter to the social of Malaysia is a good marketing strategy. We make this IG filter spread widely. When many people know about this filter, at least one type of endangered species will be remembered by a person. Therefore, it can lower the risk of extinction of the species. The positivity can be spread when people share their story and tag their friend to play along this IG filter. In order to spread the knowledge, we can make a challenge and have fun while learning about the endangered species. And lastly, the impact of this Instagram story filter to the culture of Malaysia. With this challenge of IG filter, Malaysian people can cooperate and be more responsible to spread this IG filter with other people through social media. People will tend to play this filter online, but sometimes they will talk about this filter with their family member or friend in real life. So other people who do not try this filter also can know about the endangered species in addition. As a conclusion, we hope that the IG filter can be a tool to spread the awareness to people about endangered species. By playing this IG filter, we hope that people can know which species they are endangered and will take a right action when they found this species, such as call Perhilitan. The hotline number of Perhilitan were provided in the IG filter.